Nice!
Hello everyone! In this video I will demonstrate you how to create a reverse effect using Capcut. First open Capcut and import your file. For this demonstration I've chosen this delicious video. Make sure to always delete the last slide because you don't want the promotion of Capcut in your video. If you want to reverse a specific section of the video, you need to split it first. For example, let's say you want to split this particular part. Click on the split button, then select the slide and swipe left on your toolbar to find the reverse button. However, note that only the first slide will play in reverse, which might look odd in this video, so I go back to the beginning without splitting and then click on reverse, which would align better in my opinion. The only thing to keep in mind is that if your video is longer than mine, clicking on the reverse button can take longer to load. I hope this helped you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing.